in the coldest of cold, and the wind whistles through my brand new coat, and this morning's paper soaks up slush in the gutter, and it's wintertime in the watchmaker's town. My red eyes roll and watch the snow falling like rain, but judging from the way it falls, it's snow all the same. And we need just a touch of white on the filthy gray ground, and it's wintertime in the watchmaker's town. And I watch the little children slip and slide on the sidewalk where the shoppers abound, and they're smiling again, knowing winter's just begun, and it's wintertime in the watchmaker's town. Having lived here since the day of my birth, I never knew better nor felt any worse. And ever since that day my parents planned my destiny, it's been wintertime in the watchmaker's town. And I watch the little children slip and slide on the sidewalk where the rain is running down, and they're smiling again, knowing winter's about to end, and it was wintertime in the watchmaker's town.